Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply redeem YouTube premium code. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, all you have to do is simply access your particular browser of your mobile phone, can be any that you use. Now here in this section we have to get this. For that you have to go to your search bar and simply type in youtube.com/redeem. you have to type that in, and now simply go ahead, search it up, and then you will be able to land on this kind of interface where it will simply let you redeem it. You have to go here in this section and simply add in the redeeming code that you have received on your coupon or your gift card. Once you have done so, you can tap on this next option, which will light up after you have entered the correct code for yourself. Once you have done so, you will be able to redeem it accordingly, and you can use it, purchase it however you would like. So, and that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.